In the spirit of Halloween, it doesn't get any better than building some new custom dashboards with Foglight while learning a couple of new things about Foglight 5.6.2. Well, let's start by first of all changing the theme and make it a darker, more interesting theme. And what we want to do is we want to build a dashboard similar to this one. As you can see, a dashboard for Halloween showing system status, showing the service dependencies, an indication of status on prod and QA, as well as the monitored components, and everything is clickable and drillable. In this case, for example, clicking on the production service takes me to the SLA dashboard. And what we'll do is we will create a new dashboard, starting with all the data. We'll click next, make it a fixed size, and then finish. At this point in time, we'll not choose any of the views. What we have now is a blank dashboard. Now let's define a background image for this dashboard. Go to Edit Properties, Background Image. Note that we can actually upload an image, but I have already uploaded that image in advance. And now what we have is pretty much the need to drag and drop views and services and alarms to the main screen. Let's add some services to this screen. Now in the past, when we add a service, we had the ability to select the view that was called Alarm Severity or Alarm Severity Large and put it on the screen. The problem with that was that there was no ability to actually edit the action for that service. You could edit the definition in Foglight itself, but that would impact the other services windows. In this case, what we can do, and I will just delete this object, is we can add the service and select the property, which is the aggregated state severity. I'll just eliminate the label and choose a renderer that is the large icon. All I have to do next is eliminate the title and resize the view accordingly. Now I'll just drag the QA service to the main screen, use the preview selection, eliminate the title again, and resize it to fit my view. And that's it. We have eyes for our pumpkin, pretty much a view for my service. Now we just have to add the other views. We're going to choose the service dependencies graph and resize it accordingly. We'll drag another view here with the service content. And resize it accordingly. And let's have a look at our dashboard. Now let's add the actions to the eyes. Edit, Actions, Selection. Next page. We're going to choose the item itself, the service for data. And we'll choose the service levels drill down. Let's do the same to QA. Add an action again, selection. Next page. We can also do pop-ups, but in this case we'll just choose next page. And again under operator, service levels. And click finish. What we have now is a full dashboard that is clickable. I can click on the eyes and see production SLA, QA SLA, drill down directly to a host, pretty much fully functional services dashboards or dashboard with drill downs. I hope you find this video blog useful. Happy Halloween, everybody, and happy Foglight 562.